In today's video, we're going to be doing a potato face pack. For this, we'll be needing some potato starch powder, green gram powder. I've already stored in a jar. This is the green gram that I have powdered and mixed it along with besan flour and stored it in a jar. I don't have to do it each time. So for starters, I'll be using a face wash. Then I'm using raw milk for cleansing. Then I'll be steaming using a steamer. Then for scrubbing, I'm using honey and sugar. And I've mixed potato starch powder and milk, to which I'll be adding the green gram flour. So let's get started. So for starters, I wash my face using the Neutrogena face wash. This is a very important step. Never skip it. Then I'm going to cleanse my face using a cotton and some raw milk. I've stored this milk in the fridge, so it's going to feel really nice and chill on my face. Using raw milk to cleanse your face is really good because it removes impurities and brightens the skin. So then I'm going to wash it off. Next step is steaming. Most of us skip this step and just apply the face pack and we expect results. It won't happen because we need the pores to be open for the dirt to come out of our face. Then only there'll be a change. So always steam your face. If you don't have a steamer, that's totally fine. You can use a turkey towel, dip it into a warm water and just massage it on your face. The pores will be open. Never skip this step also. Next, I'm going to scrubbing. So for scrubbing, I'm not using any store-bought scrubber. I'm just using honey and sugar, which is easily available at home. Just mix it, and when it comes to honey and sugar, it gets very thick and really difficult to scrub on your face directly. So what I would suggest is apply it around your mouth, around your nose where there are pores with dirt, and then start scrubbing it gently. Please don't be harsh on your skin. Please be very, very gentle during scrubbing. So after this, I'm washing off my face using water. As you can see, it was so hard near my nose and around my mouth. Once I scrubbed, it's feeling so soft. And even on my forehead. Next step is I've mixed milk, green gram powder, and the important factor of today is potato starch powder. This potato starch powder, I made it at home using raw potatoes. It's very simple to make. You can either apply this powder or directly apply the potato juice. You can directly just squeeze the juice out of the potato and use it on your face. Even that is going to be effective. I just want to store it for some time and use it on daily basis to see the effect. Potato is something that is very good tan remover. I've been using it for such a long time. And green gram flour and besan flour is really good agents for removing impurities from your skin. As you apply, massage your face in circular motion, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes before washing. So as you can see, it has gotten very hard. When you apply green gram and besan flour, it gets very hard easily. Don't straight away go into water and wash your face. What I would suggest is you might have a little leftover product, add some more milk into it and loosen up your face of the hardness fully. This also gives time for you to massage this product onto your face. So massage it fully, loosen it up, and then when you wash it, it becomes very easy to remove it. So I'm feeling so fresh, guys, so fresh, and I can already see a little brightness on my skin. Please don't forget to moisturize at the end. And until I see you all soon, bye.